Last time, we learned that AI breaks text into tokens, but here's the question nobody asks. How does the AI actually read them all at once? That's attention. And it's the single most important idea in modern AI. Old AI models read words one at a time, left to right. Like reading a book with a flashlight, you can only see one word at a time. The problem? By the time you reach the end of a long sentence, you've already started forgetting the beginning. That's terrible for understanding language, because meaning isn't just in individual words, it's in the relationships between them. Attention flips this completely. Instead of reading one word at a time, every token gets to look at every other token, all at once. Each token asks, which other tokens matter most to me right now? And the answer is different for every token. That's what makes attention so powerful. Let's zoom in. Take the word sat. It needs to figure out who sat and where. The attention mechanism computes a score for every pair. Sat and cat get a high score. They're deeply related. Sat and the, low score. The model learns these scores from millions of examples. These scores become weights. High weight means pay close attention. Low weight means mostly ignore. But here's the twist. The model doesn't compute attention just once. It does it multiple times in parallel. These are called attention heads. One head might focus on who did what, another on where things are in the sentence, another on meaning. Then all those perspectives get combined. The result? Each token now carries information about every other token it's connected to. This is why transformers, the architecture behind ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, are so good at language. Every word knows about every other word. Nothing gets forgotten. And it all comes back to tokens from episode 2. Each token goes through attention, picks up context from its neighbors, and comes out understanding the whole sentence, not just itself. That's attention, the mechanism that lets AI read everything at once, instead of one word at a time. Next time, how attention, tokens, and embeddings all come together inside the transformer. The full picture. See you there.